Artificial intelligence is now the talk of the world. From healthcare to finance, AI tools are being used in every sector. Like the other sectors, AI is being used in business also. Many organizations utilize AI in their business model and gain huge growth. You can even start a new business with AI tools. In today's video, I will share a new business idea. With this new idea, you can make a passive income with minimal effort. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Beauty products are one of the most popular niches in the world. At this moment, the market value of beauty products is more than $550 billion. You can be part of this industry. I am talking about selling beauty products. Now some questions can be raised. What if I don't have any products? And how can I use AI to increase my sales? I will explain it all one by one. So, watch the video till the end. First of all, we need to select our products. If you don't have your own products, you can promote products from Amazon. Amazon gives around 12% commission on beauty products. And it's a very good commission rate. To get access to Amazon Affiliate, you have to join the Amazon Affiliate program. Open your browser and search for Amazon Affiliate program. Now click on the first link and then create an account. After that, grab your unique link. Alright, our product is ready. Now how can we promote them? There are so many ways to promote or sell products. Social media marketing, email marketing, blog sharing, and many more. Before going there, first, you need a website or landing page. You can do it with some AI tools. I already made videos on it. I will put the link in the description box. You can watch it after watching this video. Alright, now let's talk about how you can bring growth or increase your sales. Video marketing is one of the most impactful ways to promote your product. Just imagine someone giving live instruction when you are purchasing a product, or taking live feedback from you about your experience. Isn't it impressive? Don't worry, you don't have to stand behind the camera all the time. An AI tool will do that on behalf of you. I am talking about Feedeo AI. Feedeo AI is an AI interactive video generator. You can captivate users with AI avatar-powered interactive videos. You can generate leads, showcase products, gamify engagement, and collect feedback effortlessly with Feedeo's interactive video platform. To start our journey with Feedeo AI, click on Get Started for free from here. Now we have to create an account. Create an account with your email address, or you can sign up with your Google account. After creating an account, you will be on this page. As we don't create any video, it's blank now. Okay, before creating our video, let's see some of their templates. Click on the template button from here. You can see the templates here. Let's see one of them. Click on the live preview. Let's play the video.
Hi, this is Vlada from ABC Company. We're a leading provider of digital marketing solutions to help businesses grow online. Our customized strategies have helped companies of all sizes increase their leads and sales. I look forward to showing you more about what we can do for you.
That's good. You can see a Tell Me More button at the bottom of the video. Let's click on it.
Our top service is search engine optimization. With our proven SEO techniques, we can get your website ranked higher in search engines like Google.
Now it's talking about the services. You can see a form at the bottom of the video. It's asking for personal information. And this information will be saved on your server. And you can use it in the future for marketing purposes. That's really amazing. Okay, let's make a video on our product. Come back to the template page again. Now come to the e-commerce tab. There are two templates, Video FAQ and Feedback Survey. Select the Video FAQ template. And then click on Use this template. This is the Feedeo AI video creator page. On the left side of the preview panel, you will find the builder option, and on the right side, you will find the editor. First, in the video, you will notice two realistic AI avatars. You can use one of them or can upload your own avatar. To do this, click on the upload button from here and then select the avatar you want to upload. At this time, I will use the Feedeo AI avatar. After selecting your avatar, you have to select the voice actor. Here you will find more than 15 voice actors in different accents. At this moment Feedeo AI only supports the English language. After that the script, where we have to enter the script of the first part of our video. For example, I am entering, "Hi, this is Sarah from Beauty Hub. What kind of product do you want to buy?" Select product type from here. Now you can see the option on the preview video. We will change them. And to do this, come to the component from here. First of all, the title. You can see the title, "How can I assist you today?" on top of the multiple options. You can change it from here. But I won't change it. After that, the display on video. If you don't want the title on the screen, you can turn it off. Let's keep it on. Then the answer type. Here you can change the answer type, such as you can add an NPS survey button, contact form, button, and many more. I will go with multiple choice. After that, the choice option, here you can customize the choice options. Let's change the first one to moisturizer, the second one to sunscreen, and the third one to eye cream. You can add or remove options also. If you want to add an option, then click on Add Choice from here. And if you want to remove any choice option, simply click on the close icon on the option. Alright, our components editing is completed. Now come to the Logic tab. Here you will find some logic. Our first page has 3 options and every option has a different meaning. The logic will give instructions on what will happen when the user selects any button. You can customize it from here. At this moment, I won't make any changes to it. Okay, our first page is ready. Let's edit the second page. Come to the Builder tab and then select page number 2. There are 3 subpages here: 2A, 2B, and 2C. Now select one of them. For example, I am selecting the 2A page. Come to the Video tab on the Editor option. Keep the avatar and the voice actor the same as on the first page. Just change the script. As I mentioned moisturizer in the first option, I will add some lines about a moisturizer product, such as to help keep your skin looking younger. Lolis recommends using a moisturizer from head to toe. Now add some lines about the product you have selected for promotion, such as Elta MDAM Restore Facial Moisturizer Lotion is an oil-free face moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. It will give you a young look. To buy it, click on the Buy Now button. After that, come to the Component tab and change the call to action text to Buy Now. Then come to the Logic tab. Now click on the Next Page drop-down tab and then select the Set a Link option. You will find a URL box under the Options box. Delete the previous URL and enter the product link URL. Alright, our 2A page is ready. Now let's select the 2B pages. Come to the Video tab on the Editor panel and then change the video script. On the 2A page, we saw how we can insert a particular affiliate link. But what if we have a website and we work with multiple products in the same category? I am going to share this method on this page. Our second product was sunscreen. Let's add some lines about sunscreen and our website. For example, I am entering sunscreens that are essential for protecting your skin from UV damage, no matter the season. Luckily, there are plenty of ways to apply sunscreen beyond just the typical bottle. We have multiple premium quality sunscreen products. Click on the Learn More button to see all of the products. After entering the video script, come to the Component tab and then change the call to action text to learn more. Now come to the Logic tab and then select the Set a Link option. In the URL box, enter your web page or landing page link. In this way, customize the 2C page also. After completing the editing process, select the page 1 and then come to the Logic page. Make sure your option 1 and page 1 are linked perfectly, such as option 1 is about moisturizer and on page 2A is the following step. So it needs to link option 1 with page 2A. Alright, our video is ready. Now how can we share the video? To do this, first of all we need to publish the video. Click on the Publish button from here. You will get a URL of this video. Now you can share this video on social media or via email. But there is something more interesting for you. To reveal that, come to the Share button from here. If you want to embed the video on your website, you can do it. Just copy the iframe code and then paste it anywhere in the body section of your website. And if you want to use this video as a widget, copy and paste this code anywhere in the head section of your website. As you can see, I have entered it on my website. Let's see how it works.
Hi, this is Sarah from Beauty Hub. What kind of product do you want to buy? Select product type from here.
Let's select the first option.
To help keep your skin looking younger, Lolis recommends using a moisturizer from head to toe. LTMDAM Restore Facial Moisturizer Lotion is an oil-free face moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. It will give you a young look. To buy it, click on the Buy Now button.
You can see as I clicked on the link, it redirected me to the product page. That's really cool. In the same method, you can create customer support, satisfaction surveys, and other videos to increase your customer interest. It will increase your business growth. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with AI interactive video generation. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!